Hi, my name is Rodrigo, and in this video today I want your opinion. What is best? To get and pursue certifications or try to get hands-on experience for you to land your dream job? In today's video, we're gonna be sharing a couple of thoughts on what is best when you are trying to show that you know something. If you enjoy this content, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Let's go! We know that following the Great Resignation, IT workers can make bank if we are talking about smart contracts, analytics, and so other trends that we have already discussed in this channel. But on the flip side, CIOs will need to pay top dollar to have people with those skills. And if we include all the technical skills related to big data, this comes with a huge set of skills, a huge set of people that will be earning a lot in the short period, right? But it's so important to understand how these people can search and look for an opportunity to show that they master that skills, either from a hands-on experience or pursuing any specific certification. But also very important to understand how the organizations will see this type of professionals, how the organizations will see this type of situations, how they are paid for those that are showing their skills based on certifications or to pursuing some hands-on experience to show that they have practiced that specific skill. According to the IT Skills Demand and Pay Trends report, we've seen an increase of almost 16% of the base salary that are being paid for those that possess the skills related to big data. And we are talking about old technology, right? So things like Apache. When I say old, of course, it's old in IT years. And we're not talking about DynamoDB, we're not talking about Cassandra, MLOps, and many others. It is important to understand that not all skills are in such a high demand. We've been seeing a decrease of almost 12% of the premiums when you're talking about SAP skills or any other business process skills. And almost 6% when you're talking about web commerce development skills. This is a huge thing because we're seeing that non-certified skills are showing a higher premium comparison to previous years when you're talking about certified skills. We know that traditionally certifications has been one good path for those that are pursuing higher pays. But what we've been seeing is that there is a decrease on the amount of premium for those type of certified skills. According to the report, based on 546 certified skills, we've been seeing an average premium pay of 6.6%. This is the lowest that we have been having since 7 years ago. This is impressive, and this is something that will change and continues to change in the short near future. Back in 2020, another survey made by Strata found that 20% of the Americans will want to enroll themselves in an online skill base or some sort of training to be able to build on other skills. And can you guess which type of skills are in the high demand for this? Of course, cybersecurity. We've been seeing many people trying to get some entry-level certifications to be able to break into this area. But I can assure you, the average for those people that are earning more money or be able to break into cybersecurity just because of this entry-level certification are decreasing. This is impressive, right? But of course, the certifications will still pay some premium. But we saw a decrease of 1.55% last quarter and 7.5% last year. This is huge. As I'm telling you, it is decreasing. The only certificate type of skills that in demand is still databases. We've been seeing an increase of 1.5% of the premium pay for those type of skills. My guess is that even though we do have many types now of different technologies when you're talking about database, all these new NoSQL database, many of the organizations are still relying on the old Oracle and SQL databases, and we know that those type of databases, those type of skills were and are highly measured by some sort of certifications. So although we have very new type of technologies, the old technology is still there, and I don't think that's gonna disappear in quite some time. This could be a good explanation for why databases is still in a high demand to pay premiums when you're talking about this type of skills. But I would love to hear your thoughts on that. Although we've been seeing this decrease of paid premiums for those some sort of certifications, there are certain certifications that are still in high demand. When you're talking about CISSP, when you're talking about Google Cloud Professional, when you're talking about Microsoft Solutions Engineer, those type of certifications are still in high demand and are paying very good premium. But it's important to notice that those type of certifications require some previous experience. So although you need to pass those tests to be able to get and grant that certifications, you need to prove that you have experience enough to be able to present that test. So it's like a balance between hands-on experience and certifications. And my perspective and my assumption is those type of certifications will remain relevant, and those certifications that does not require previous experience to prove that you have previous experience will disappear or become irrelevant in the near future. That's why, as I mentioned, I would love to hear your thoughts on certifications versus hands-on experience. Please write on the comment section below what's your thoughts. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you next week.